Are you wondering how to change your course layout on LearnWorlds? Stick around because in this video, we'll walk you through the exact steps you need to take to customize your layout and make your course stand out. You'll want to watch until the end because I'll also share some exclusive tips, plus reveal a few alternatives that might be a better fit for your course design goals. First, let's dive into how you can access the layout options in LearnWorlds. To change your course layout, head over to your LearnWorlds dashboard. From there, go to Courses in the main menu. Once you click on that, you'll be able to see all of your courses listed. Select the course you want to customize and then click on Settings. Now, next thing you'll need to do is select the Appearance tab under the course settings. This is where you can begin customizing your layout and give your course a fresh look. You can change the overall style, font, colors, and much more here. The third thing is adjusting the course structure. If you want to change how your content is organized, simply drag and drop sections or lessons. You can also use the layout editor to add or remove sections, making it easier for your learners to navigate through the course. It's a pretty intuitive drag and drop tool, but don't forget to preview your changes before publishing them. Next, let's talk about adding custom blocks. If you want to include extra content like images, videos, or even third-party tools, LearnWorlds lets you insert custom blocks anywhere in the course layout. This gives you a lot of freedom, but it can get a bit overwhelming if you're not sure how to make everything flow smoothly. The fifth thing to consider is the mobile responsiveness of your layout. With more learners accessing courses on their phones, it's essential to ensure that your layout looks good on all devices. In the Appearance tab, you can adjust the layout specifically for mobile devices. This is a handy feature, but sometimes it requires fine-tuning to make sure it looks great on both desktop and mobile screens. Finally, let's quickly cover the preview and save functions. After you've made all your adjustments, it's crucial to preview how your course looks in real time. This will help you identify any issues or areas that need improvement. Once you're happy with your course layout, don't forget to hit Save to lock in your changes. Before we wrap up, I'll mention that LearnWorlds does offer a free trial, so you can test out these features yourself. However, after exploring LearnWorlds, you may find that there are other platforms that offer better tools for course customization, especially if your goal is to create an even more engaging and user-friendly layout. At the end of this video, we'll share an exclusive and extended free trial to LearnWorlds through our link, plus recommend some amazing alternatives that also have free trials and offer better features for creating a visually stunning course layout. You won't want to miss that. Make sure you check out the link in the description for your exclusive access to the best trials and benefits.